To keep me from going cuckoo for the more chocolatey taste of Cocoa Puffs, I'm going to ride up and down in this elevator all day.
11th floor, munchy.
Munchy?
12th floor, crunchy.
Crunchy!
13th floor.
More chocolatey? That's Cocoa Puffs! Yahoo! Go for Cocoa Puffs! Go for Cocoa Puffs!
More chocolatey tasting Cocoa Puffs, part of this balanced breakfast with 10 important vitamins and minerals.
Being cuckoo sure has its ups and downs. To keep me from going cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, I'm going to lock him in this chocolatey safe. Cocoa Puffs turns everything chocolatey. Don't go cuckoo. Phew, wait a minute. It's Cocoa Puffs. Don't go cuckoo. Ooh. Cocoa Puffs, they're chocolatey. I give up. I'm Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs.
Cocoa Puffs turns everything chocolatey, even the milk. There's no escaping chocolatey Cocoa Puffs, part of your good breakfast.
On this deserted island, I won't go cuckoo for
Cocoa Puffs, munchy. Cocoa Puffs,
Don't go cuckoo.
crunchy.
Don't go cuckoo.
Cocoa Puffs, chocolatey.
Cocoa Puffs chocolatey? I'm Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs.
Cocoa Puffs has the ultimate chocolatey taste that turns everything chocolatey, even the milk. Cocoa Puffs, part of this good breakfast. Tiki love Cocoa Puffs.
Cocoa Puffs experiment. How long does it take Sonny to go cuckoo for?
Cocoa Puffs?
Begin countdown now.
So chocolatey! I'm Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa Puffs. Chocolatey.
Cocoa Puffs, the ultimate chocolatey taste. Super chocolatey crunch and makes super chocolatey milk. Cocoa Puffs, the chocolatey part of this good breakfast.
I'm Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs.
Ugh, waiting.
What you waiting for, kid?
Saturday?
The wait is over!
50% more cocoa!
I taste the cocoa!
Cocoa Puffs!
Fasten your seatbelts!
Unleash the taste of Saturday with Cocoa Puffs! Now with 50% more cocoa, part of a good breakfast.
To keep me from going cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, I'm going to lock him in this chocolatey safe. Cocoa Puffs turns everything chocolatey. Don't go cuckoo. Phew, wait a minute. It's Cocoa Puffs. Don't go cuckoo. Ooh. Cocoa Puffs, they're chocolatey. I give up. I'm Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs.
Cocoa Puffs turns everything chocolatey, even the milk. There's no escaping chocolatey Cocoa Puffs, part of your good breakfast.
Court now in session.
Your Honor, you've got to keep Cocoa Puffs away from me.
But why?
It turns everything chocolatey, and they make me go cuckoo.
Well, they're munchy and crunchy.
Oh, Cocoa Puffs!
Chocolate in the corn.
See? I'm Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs! Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs!
Cocoa Puffs has the ultimate chocolatey taste that turns everything chocolatey, even the milk. Chocolatey Cocoa Puffs, part of a good breakfast.
I find you guilty of being delicious.
More chocolatey! To keep from going cuckoo for...
Sonny, this is a fancy restaurant.
Welcome to Chez Chocolat. Your breakfast, sir, is the ultimate in munchy. Crunchy.
Crunchy! Oh, please, say chocolatey!
And... chocolatey! Cocoa Puffs!
I'm Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs! Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs!
The ultimate chocolatey experience. Cocoa Puff cereal, part of a good breakfast.
Those super chocolatey puffs that turn milk into super chocolatey milk. So yummy.
I'm Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs milk! Oh.
Cocoa Puffs, part of this good breakfast.
Mission log. To keep from going cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, I blasted into outer space. Huh? The Milky Way is really milk, Cocoa Puffs, and now chocolatey stars, too. Chocolatey stars! I'm Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs with stars! Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs with stars!
Cocoa Puffs turns everything chocolatey, even the milk. Part of this good breakfast. New Cocoa Puffs with stars. Now on Earth for a limited time.
One small bite for Bird, one giant leap for ultimate chocolatey taste.
keep Sonny from going cuckoo, I'm gonna hide Cocoa Puffs in this room.
Gramps?
I'm not hiding Cocoa Puffs.
Cocoa Puffs?
Don't go cuckoo on me, boy.
I'm not cuckoo.
Don't open that door, then, 'cause there's munchy, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs in there.
Munchy, crunchy, chocolatey!
You opened the door, did you?
I am Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. I'm Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs.
Cocoa Puff cereal, the chocolatey part of a good breakfast.
I'm Sonny the Cuckoo Bird. To keep myself from going cuckoo for this complete breakfast with munchy, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs, I'm gonna watch some TV. I love you. Fooey. And then you plug it in. Yeah. Boring. Munchy, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa Puffs. Yahoo! I'm Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Well, that's what I call a cuckoo commercial. Cuckoo, cuckoo. To keep me, Sonny the Cuckoo Bird, from going cuckoo for a complete breakfast with munchy, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs, you're gonna lock me in here! Hello? You don't say. You don't say. You don't say.
Who was it?
He didn't say.
Well, what did he say?
He said munchy, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs! Next time, send me a postcard.
Young friends, this is a cuckoo bird.
Puff, puff, Cocoa Puffs, yum, yum, yum. Puff.
Want to have some fun?
Puff,
Watch.
yum. Oh, wee. Watch out, because I'm... Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs! Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs! Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs!
It happens all the time. It's because Cocoa Puffs are made with delicious Hershey's cocoa. Luscious little chocolate crisp corn puffs.
He caught me by surprise. Oh, no. I can't resist them.
Another Big G cereal from General Mills.
Dancing! That'll keep me from going cuckoo for my favorite cereal. Delicious, munchy, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. It's part of this good, nutritious breakfast. Please don't fail me now.
Oh, Sonny!
Oh, no.
Care to dance to our song? Hit it, boy. Whoosh. Puff, puff, Cocoa Puffs. Chocolate tasting Cocoa Puffs. Munchy, crunchy, chocolatey.
Cocoa Puffs. Yahoo! I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa. Safari, so good. Out here I will go cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs with its scrumptious chocolatey taste. Ooh, it's part of this good, nutritious breakfast. Huh? Natives. Hope they're friendly.
Want some puff, puff, Cocoa Puffs? Munchy, crunchy Cocoa Puffs? Delicious, chocolatey tasting Cocoa Puffs.
Yahoo! I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. I'm hung up on their delicious chocolatey taste. Flying up here in this balloon, there's nothing to make me go cuckoo for my favorite cereal. Delicious, munchy, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. It's part of this good, nutritious breakfast. I'll puff it away.
Hey, Sonny, what do you say?
Uh-oh.
Up for some munchy,
Munchy,
crunchy, chocolatey, Cocoa Puffs,
Cocoa Puffs. Yes, Cocoa Puffs. I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. I really blew that one. Locking myself in the caboose of this choo-choo will keep me from going cuckoo for my favorite cereal. Delicious, munchy, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. It's part of this nutritious breakfast. See? I told you I wouldn't go cuckoo.
Choo-choo, puff, puff, Cocoa Puffs. Chocolate-flavored Cocoa Puffs. Munchy, crunchy, chocolatey.
Cocoa Puffs? Yahoo! Cocoa Puffs! Yahoo! Cocoa Puffs!
Puff, puff, Cocoa Puffs.
I think I should have taken the bus.
Cocoa Puffs great taste makes me cuckoo. I'll just keep my mind busy with this. 10-letter word for tasty, chocolatey. 7-letter word for cereal sound, crunchy and munchy. Oh, it's all about Cocoa Puffs, and I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs.
It's the chocolatey part of a good breakfast.
Yum!
Extra, extra new chocolatey vanilla Cocoa Puffs combo cereal.
When chocolatey and vanilla combine, there's no escape.
Don't go cuckoo! Don't go cuckoo! Chocolate and vanilla, that's Cuckoo! What a combo! On Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs! Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs!
New chocolatey and vanilla Cocoa Puffs combos, part of this good breakfast.
Now in bowls everywhere.
Hi there! Shh! Excuse me! Shh! Hushville, huh? Pretty quiet place. I wonder if it's too quiet for the big crunch of Cocoa Puffs, the chocolatey part of this complete breakfast. Oh, I'm cuckoo for these big chocolatey crunchy puffs. Uh-oh.
Now Sonny's... Oops, sorry. Now Sonny's in jail for crunching Cocoa Puffs too loud in Hushville. Will he get out? Last time, Sonny was thrown in jail for crunching Cocoa Puffs in Hushville. Now he must face the king. Sonny's writing him a note. It says Cocoa Puffs have king-size crunch. And the king has asked for Cocoa Puffs, the chocolatey part of this complete breakfast. Here goes.
Yahoo! These Cocoa Puffs are great! Free that Cuckoo Bird!
Hooray! Now Hushville's got a new name.
Chocolate Crunchville.
Kids, now you can get your own Hushville pad in specially marked boxes of Cocoa Puffs.
Sonny's making the chocolatiest Cocoa Puffs ever with twice the Hershey's cocoa.
It's a double blast of Hershey's.
Uh-oh. It's gonna blow. What a blast.
It's the chocolatiest tasting Cocoa Puffs ever.
A double blast of Hershey's in every bite. We're cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs.
New Cocoa Puffs is the chocolatier part of this good breakfast.
Cocoa Puffs, the chocolatey puff with a double blast of Hershey stuff. I'll mail myself someplace where there's nothing to make me go cuckoo for my favorite cereal. Delicious, munchy, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. It's part of this good, nutritious breakfast.
Cocoa Puffs mail call. Special delivery postcards for Sonny.
He's not in.
They say, Puff, Puff, Cocoa Puffs. Chocolate-tasting Cocoa Puffs. Munchy, crunchy, chocolatey.
Cocoa Puffs! Yahoo! I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs! Boy, did I get the message.
Last time we left Sonny lost in Cuckoo Town.
I've just gotta get home. Even in Cuckoo Town, I can't resist the delicious taste of Cocoa Puffs, the chocolatey part of this complete breakfast. Uh-oh, now it's raining Cocoa Puffs. I'll be swamped in munchy, crunchy, chocolatey Cocoa Puffs. I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Oh, hey, I'm back home.
Oh, Sonny.
Oh, no, here we go again. Oh, wait, a circus! Here I will go cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs with its yummy chocolatey taste. It's a luscious part of a good breakfast. And now the great flying Sonny No! I should have been a clown.
Sonny.
Trapped by the trapeze.
Want some Puff Puff Cocoa Puffs? Munchy crunchy Cocoa Puffs? Yummy chocolatey Cocoa Puffs?
Yo! I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs! Cocoa Puffs! I get a bang out of